Hey guys, RightPlays here, and today we are in Minecraft PC Edition, and today we are doing something a little different. We are actually doing a redstone tutorial. So before we start, first of all, you gotta know what redstone is. So what redstone is, it's basically like the wire of Minecraft, you know? It's basically the wire. You can make all sorts of cool machines with it. And so we can get it right here in the inventory tab. These are all the things that can go with redstone. Say for example a sticky piston. If you don't know what it is, then look it up. And in order to power it, you need a redstone torch or a lever, any type of pressure plate. Do a stone one, and you can also use buttons and any type of those two buttons. You can also use a tripwire hook with some string. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to power it with all these items. So what you're going to want to do is put your redstone down, get your sticky piston, make sure you face it that way, so it's like that. So for the redstone torch, all you got to do is put it right there, and it automatically powers it for you. And when you destroy it, it's not powered. And now if you take your lever, you put it there, nothing happens. But if you right click on it, it powers it and it works, and you can turn it off or on, off or on. Okay, so our next item is a pressure plate. You can do this with any type. You stand on it and it will power. If you stand off of it, it will be turned off. Another one is a button. Since we're on 1.8, we can put them on the floor. So you take the button, it's a certain amount of time, you just press it and it will power it and then turn off. And next one you could do is tripwire hook. So we're going to want to get some blocks for this one, so let's just get some stone. So let's put a stone block here and a stone block here. So what you're going to want to do is put the tripwire hook here and a tripwire hook there. And then you're going to want a string right here. But of course that will not power it right away. What you need to do is take some redstone and make it connect to that. Okay? So now, when you walk or drop something on it, it will power the piston. Take it off, I'm full of words right now. It will turn off. Will this still work? See how it doesn't work? See, now one still works, but I would recommend two, because I like things even. It's just how I like it. So now that we've got that sticky piston, so you can also push it with blocks. So we got one block there, it's moved. So let's do this where it's basically permanent. So let's just destroy that, destroy that. So let's put down our lever, for example. So you can push blocks. Okay? So that's what you could do with the sticky pistons. But the pistons, on the other hand, obviously they're not sticky, so let's turn this off. You can destroy that, put down your normal piston, turn it on, still pushes it like a normal sticky piston, but when you take it and turn it off, it doesn't bring it back. But if you do it with the sticky piston, turn it on, you can bring it back. Okay, so we're gonna do some things with sticky pistons and pistons today. So let's say you wanted to make a nice sticky piston door, okay? So what you could do is, hang on a second. Okay, that doesn't matter, we're doing a different spot. So what we want, okay, we want it by 4, and so this is just my own, I'm making up like all of a sudden. So we want it powered already. So let's get some redstone. So for this purpose, it's not going to be hidden Okay, so we put on our lever. We need, so if the redstone current does not go far enough, what you need is a redstone repeater. Okay, so we're going to want to destroy one redstone here and put it there. You can tick it and time it, but I'll go over that in a different episode. And so let's put that one right, let's put this one right here. Now we turn it on. Oh, I see what's going on. This is not connected, so we got to turn it. Okay, so don't worry, I know what's going on. So sensors, let's put a stone block there, get a redstone. There we go. That's what I did wrong. Through here. There we go. Okay. So now that it's on, we've got this. So when it's off, it's going to be open, but when it's on, it's closed. Okay, so now we obviously want another layer. So we're obviously going to want to put a sticky piston there, sticky piston there, put stone, stone. So, but when you do it, it's still only the bottom one. So, in order to power that, we're going to put a stone block here, so we can put it on the next level. Okay, so we're going to go through here, 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 and put that there. So, just put that like that, so we can do our thing. Okay, so, let's actually put, okay, so I guess we do not need that one, and so we're going to put that there. Okay, we don't need any of these. Okay, so that there, turn it around, and we want to connect that to there. So we actually want redstone here up, coming around. There we go. So now if we turn this on, that one goes also. So let's build the same exact replica of what I did. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we want redstone, 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 redstone. Okay. So now when it's activated, it is a completely shut door. And so now we want some stone like this. We don't want anybody to see it. We'll see like the outside. Okay, it's turning night. We don't want it night. Slash time set day. Not daddy day. Okay. So let's hide all this. Okay. So let's say you've got that. So what you want to do, so we're going to take that off. Okay. So if you want like something hidden, so we're obviously going to have a lever there. So it doesn't bring enough power. So I want to turn this repeater around. No, I don't want to put a button there. I mean, put it there. There we go. Okay. So now that we got that, so we got not a strong redstone signal here. So let's just make that stronger right here. So that way it's better. Okay. And so when you turn it off, it opens. And so you want to come inside, and you're obviously going to want to turn it off. So then you will obviously have like some sort of like lever here. Nope, not on the repeater. It'll be like that. And then you've got your door, and then turn it off so you can walk out and turn it back on. So let's just like add a little simple roof here. And you've got yourself a nice and easy sticky piston door. So do you want it hidden? Well, all we gotta do is just take most of this and put it underground. So let's get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay. Get rid of this and that. Okay. So now what we want to do is bring this by 2 blocks deep. That there. Okay. So now that we got that, okay, you know what? We're actually going to want to bring it back just one more. Okay. So we want our redstone going down and say about right there. We'll put a repeater down. And then what we could do is get some sandstone. No, I don't want smooth. I want this one. Okay. So now we got some sandstone. You don't want to put it there because that will cut off the redstone current. You want to put it here, 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 and here. And now we're going to take our stone, cover all this up. Wait, no, we don't want it there. Okay, I guess it doesn't really matter. I may have built this uneven. And so let's just take this and just build a nice simple little tunnel. And this will be like your little tunnel into your base. Okay, so you got that. We don't need any torches, so then this will be like your base. So now what about your lever? So what you could do is then in a wall of your base, this could be like one of your walls. You take your lever and stick it right here. And okay, what went wrong here? Did I put this on the wrong way? Yes, I did. Okay, so we want that coming this way. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to put the sandstone back. And you can obviously enclose that with stone. So it's closed. We're going to open it. Come on out. And do that. So it's like that. So if you want to hide that one, then all you got to do is just do this. Just to cover it. And just put your lever right here. Okay, maybe, yeah, we should put it right here. Put it right there. There. So you can have two of them. Because obviously it will not work if you've got like that going. Oh. Okay, you know what? I can actually fix that. Okay, so no needs to worry. So we can just have a lever right there. Take the repeater and put that right there. So turn it on. So we're open it. And this one should work by closing it all. No, okay. So then when this one's turned on, power doesn't go to there. So what I'm actually going to do is make it into a separate line. So we're just going to pass through that. There we go. So that should have it closed. There we go. What's turned on? Oh, it's with this. Okay. So we don't need that. Turn it on. Looks like it gets enough power. Good. Turn it off. It's good. And turn that on. Let me flip the lever. I am determined to fix this, okay? I don't want to give you guys like an example that doesn't work. Okay, so make a separate redstone current. There we go. Put this, nope, not a tripwire hook. Sandstone back. Nope, wrong way. Okay, there we go. Now we got that. Turn it off. Turn it on. Okay, what about the other? What if we do it with the other side here? Okay, so yeah, whatever. You're just going to need two of these. So let's just undo what we did in here. The separate redstone current, get rid of that. And so let's just hide the rest of this thing. This whole contraption. Well, you know what, you could do that like all by yourself. And there you go. You've got yourself a working piston door. Close it. To open it. There you go. You can go through it. And close it with that. And you're in your base. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. This is just a nice quick piston tutorial. And you can make all other contraptions than just sticky piston doors. And remember, you use this piston right here will not work. Because remember, sticky pistons hold the blocks with them. Pistons only push them for a one-time use and you're going to have to reset them. So I hope this tutorial has really helped you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video of any video. That sounded weird, but just go along with it. Goodbye.